Hamid Aftab, who is a successful freelancer on Fiverr, has more than 80% of project winning percentage. That's huge. So let's figure out that what steps Hamid takes to win a project. If you are inside the buy request section on Fiverr and you want to send your proposal on this specific request, first of all you have to figure out that what is the name of this person. You have to download the Fiverr mobile application, go to the buy request section, swipe left to find out that specific request. There you can see the name of that person is actually the username on his Fiverr account, and his name is Rick Dixon. Hamid not only sent a buy request on Fiverr, but he also go on Google and search by his name. You can write Rick Dixon Facebook, press enter. There you can see I can find his profile where the same profile image has been used on his Fiverr account. There you go, you can write anything, you can attach your previous work samples. You should also send him messages on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, so that you can have maximum number of chances to win that project.